Hi guys, it's Angie with Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today I'm going to make a spiral bleached shirt. Stick around for the end of the video too because I'm adding another shirt that I bleached as well. I'm using my locking tweezers to begin the spiral, and I'm going to hold the folds in place with some rubber bands. For the bleach, I'm using a no splash formula, and I'm adding some to my dye bottle. I'm going to mix the bleach with water in about a 1-to-1 ratio. Then after I fill up this dye bottle and mix it well within the bottle, I'm going to use this bottle to fill up a needle tip bottle. Before I begin applying the dye, I want to go ahead and mix up my neutralizing solution. If you're going to use bleach on a shirt, it's important to always neutralize the bleach, otherwise it can continue to damage the fabric. So for neutralizing solution, I'm going to use regular hydrogen peroxide, the kind which you would purchase in your local store, like in the first aid section. It's about a 3% solution of hydrogen peroxide. Then I'm going to mix the hydrogen peroxide in a 1-to-9 ratio. So I'm using 1 part hydrogen peroxide and 9 parts of water. In this case, I'm going to use 8 ounces of hydrogen peroxide and 72 ounces of water. I'm going to go ahead and set this solution aside in the other side of my sink so that it's ready whenever I'm finished bleaching the shirt. To bleach the shirt, I'm going to use the needle tip bottle and apply just a small amount of bleach to the very top of the shirt. If you'll notice, I'm just doing lines, making sure I go through the center of the spiral. I don't want the entire side of the shirt bleached out. Then I'm going to turn the shirt over and do the same thing on the other side. I probably left the bleach on this shirt maybe about 5 minutes. I've gone ahead and sped up the video, so it's a little bit difficult to tell the time that I left on there, but I didn't leave it on for very long. Then I untied the shirt and rinsed it in cold water and put it into the neutralizing solution. I left it in the hydrogen peroxide solution for 20 to 30 minutes. After neutralizing the shirt, I put it into the washing machine and I washed it with a little bit of Dharma's textile detergent, and this is what it looks like. So what do you guys think? So I really like this one. This is the look that I was going for with this shirt. I wanted it to look more like fireworks, or for there to be some lines in this shirt that weren't solid lines. I don't know if that quite makes sense, but I wanted it to look like this. That's the reason why I used a needle tip bottle instead of just using a regular size bottle, is I wanted the lines to be a little bit more fine and a little bit more spotty. So I'm really happy with the way this shirt turned out. This is another one of the George shirts that I purchased in the men's section at Walmart. They're 100% cotton shirts, and they had quite a few different colors this winter. And so this one is like a dark burgundy type color. And I think it's always interesting to see the colors that the shirts turn after they're either bleached or after I use Out White Bright on them. Okay, so here is the bonus shirt. This shirt is a little bit different color red. It is more of like a dark purpley red. And this is a shirt which I purchased in the women's section at Walmart. It's a Time and True brand, and it also is 100% cotton, but it's a little bit thinner. I'm going to center the shirt and then tie a heart in the shirt and then kind of make the pattern like a repeating heart pattern. I'm going to tie additional sinew lines going out from the very first heart sinew line. By the way, I'm using the bleach on both of these shirts when the shirts are still damp. To bleach this shirt, I'm going to use liquid bleach and add it to a container and then dilute it down by about 50%. Then I'm just going to dunk the shirt down into the liquid bleach and leave it for about 5 or 6 minutes. By the way, I'm sorry that my camera is a little off center. I think I bumped it a little bit when I was mixing up some of my either bleach or neutralizing solutions, and so it's a little off center. Then I'm going to neutralize it the same way that I did the other shirt. I'm going to untie it, rinse it, and stick it in my neutralizing solution. By the way, I made up a fresh neutralizing solution for this shirt. I didn't reuse the one that I used for the other shirt. So after it was washed, this is what it looks like. So I think this one looks cool too. I like the different radiating lines coming out from the center heart, and I like the color that the shirt went to. I was a little bit concerned because this was a lighter weight shirt, and I wasn't quite sure how well it was going to take the bleach. At first, it didn't look like it was removing any of the color, but I think it looks really cool. Because I centered the shirt before I tied my design, the front and the back look almost identical to each other. By the way, I know that process went really fast, but down below in the description for this video is a link to another video which shows how to center a shirt. I essentially got both sides of the front of the shirt next to each other and both sides of the back of the shirt next to each other. So if you guys have enjoyed the content of this video, I sure would appreciate it if you would like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a great day.